All right, we got a possible PEDC buy here in crude oil as well. I don't like the counter trend nature of the crude oil trade as much. I mean, it worries me a little bit more, but we got good upside divergence. We got decent bottoming formation now. I want to demand that up hook though, and it is going to happen. So this is lower rated trade because of the very, very, very counter trend nature of it. But you can see we got price action pivots moving lower, and our OS line pivots are moving higher. That's upside divergence. We have 3 down closed bars and only 1 down move, so 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is a PEDC buy. It is lower rated because of the extreme counter trend nature of it. One thing that you could do is you could look for a value entry. May or may not happen. Obviously, I want to see really quick follow through here ideally. Come on, baby, get up there. So you could have gotten a value entry here. This is in situation because of the extreme counter trend nature of it. If we don't push up here, I may take a graceful exit. So we did just punch up a couple of ticks into the profit. Come on, baby. I'd give this trade more room to work if it weren't so counter trend. It's trying. Come on. And there we go. Winner. All right, so the tools are sharp, guys. The tools are powerful. Now the reality is, as I said many times during the trade, these are a little bit more risky when you're dealing with such a counter trend nature like this. But we did have a lot of things going for this trade, so let's outline them, okay? First, we'll do the PEDC count, and that is our 4th win in a row for live trading here. We had 3 down closed bars. Over those 3 down closed bars, we had 1 down move in the pulse line. 3 minus 1 is 2. We need to have a +2 or more pulse count for there to be a buy. So in this case we do. And then for an official PEDC buy, we need, when the price bar hooks up like this one does, we need the pulse line to also hook up. Okay? And we got that. So that is an official buy, even though it was so counter trend, and a nice win. Now some of the other factors that go into making this, a decent trade or give us more confidence in the trade is notice the upside divergence, and it starts even further back. I mean, you can see the divergence starts even further back. Well, we'll just look at these 3 pivots. Okay, what's the price action doing while the OS line is sloping higher so nicely? The price action is going down. So this tells us that there's likely a bottom coming and a move to the upside. And then we get mostly flat, slightly down price action over the next pivot, 2 pivots. And again, the OS line is sloping up. So this is what we call triple pivot double divergence. So that just adds to our confidence. Because the trade is so counter trend, the PEDC trade, it makes me feel a little bit better to know we got some other things going on in the area, which this is. We also have that same patterning formation, and you won't always see this, but on the OS line, you see the upside divergence in the OS line? Oh, it's moving up, or excuse me, the pulse line has that same divergent pattern, okay? So, nice little winner there.